Is my screen shared?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
As far as those letters are concerned, I am still receiving the letters. Whereas there was a time given for that, and you were supposed to submit your letters before that. What is this? And because all the letters are there on the same group, you can go through those that have been written by others, and you will be surprised to see the similarity between the content. Now, how will I take this similarity? It is not cheating. The ideas are similar. Obviously, from where will you bring new, different? Every student will get a different idea. Ideas are similar. But the problem is when language also appears similar, when statements appear similar. I do not want to mention names, or if you say, I will mention, where I found two letters exactly same. God knows how has it happened. And both the letters were submitted almost at the same time. See, if it was submitted at different times, it would appear that some one of those two would have copied. But when it was submitted quite close to one another's time, that means the source of thought was common. Did somebody sit with another student? Means some of you sat together and discussed and thought of some ideas and shared in the letter? Or have you all done it individually?
Individually.
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 Everyone. I have taken it here in this Word file, so it is misarranged. It should come here, है ना? चलो ठीक है. When you read it with that way. मैं सारे यहाँ पे arrange करूँगा. It will take time. This is another thing. On top there was one topic. Okay, then there was third thing. At last, which I wished to share. This is what I have shared with you, and I am expecting you all to go through the entire note. जो भी कुछ इसमें लिखा हुआ है एक बार पूरा पढ़ लेना. And if needed, it can be discussed in the next class. Okay? Because it has been shared, so I don't want you to read it over here on the screen. Instead, we can do something else. Okay? Now, what something else? Let me know what is left, if there is anything remaining. Is there something that is yet to be done? Am I not audible?
Sir, you
You
are.
are audible.
Then tell me, is there anything that is yet to be discussed, to be done in the class, to be taught in the class?
No, sir.
Sir, writing skills in our NCRT book.
See, in NCRT book, there are few things given. One is note making, the very first thing. Okay. And then you have a speech and debate. Check it. Right now, I'm not having textbook. Check it in your textbook. Whatever is there, let me know. Because according to the revised syllabus for this session, the textbook contains everything that we generally teach, that we generally study in 11th class every year. But because there is a little curtailment in the syllabus, which has been revised due to this situation, few things have been removed, dropped out. That's why we are doing only what is given in the revised syllabus of 2020-21. Got
Sir,
it?
yes sir. Sir, I was talking about the chapter में जो writing skills होते हैं ना last में open skip करते
हाँ,
जाते
ठीक है, ठीक है. Open it and tell me. Open it and tell me. We'll talk.
Yes sir.
That's what I'm asking. कि if there is anything that is yet to be discussed, we'll do that. And when everything is over, we'll come to the revision part. We'll start revising because I want a better revision of the stories of supplementary reader. There it seems we gave lesser time. Okay. So I would like all of you to revise the stories of supplementary reader first when we start revision, and then we'll come to this Hornbill. Or shall I search for the textbook here? Swastika, you all must be having. Let me know
Yes
what is
sir.
read the task, writing task that is given in your textbook.
Sir, in first chapter it is working with words. It says नहीं ये तो हो गया. Yes sir. Give on the sir next नहीं ये भी हो गया. अरे यार. So there is one, find out the astronomical description and legends associated with the following.
With the
First, Ursa Major, Polaris, Pegasus, Sirius and Gemini. So ये chapter है Discovering Tut. The saga continues.
It's a task given to you, beta.
तो यही बच्चे हैं और कुछ बच्चा ही नहीं है. So these are only things which are left in each chapter, and otherwise we have completed everything.
In that way, we have completed everything.
Yes, sir.
है ना? ठीक है. ठीक है. So now for today, from next class, we are planning something, but for today, the remaining time is for an open house discussion. Open house discussion means anything from anywhere from the two textbooks, maybe grammar or writing, but preferably from the two textbooks. Anything from anywhere, you can come up with a doubt, with a question, with something that is yet to be explained or that needs a further discussion. And then suppose Swastika asks something from somewhere, Somebody in the class may try and explain or try and answer the question. Okay? I'll speak at last. So this is open for all. You can ask any doubt that you have from any of the two textbooks, from any of the lessons. Okay? So for today we are doing this, and from the next class we'll start asking some questions to the class. Okay? And we'll ask by name. Okay, like I can see some students and I can pick Divya Khaka. My mouse pointer goes to Divya Khaka. Is my screen shared? Not yet shared. Okay. So my mouse pointer by itself reached to Divya Khaka, and I may ask a question to her, or I may ask somebody else to ask a question to Divya from any lesson. And Divya is supposed to answer that. This way we shall begin with the revision of the two textbooks. Got it? So for today, anybody can ask any question.
Sir, on the same time, we are going to begin with both the textbooks.
Yes, better. Or if this is not very much effective, then what we'll do, I'll assign 2 or 3 lessons for each period. That day after tomorrow, when we meet again, we'll discuss on these 2 or 3 lessons. This way we can decide. Okay? If entire textbook is not suitable, then we'll pick 2-3 lessons for one period. Okay?
Sir, entire textbook is too big, so can you please
Okay,
list
fine.
some chapters?
Okay, no problem. We'll do it with 2 lessons at a time or 3 lessons at a time. Okay? This is not to embarrass anybody. This is just to make you go through the lessons and to be able to answer here in the class. है ना? चलो questions. या तो तुम पूछो, नहीं तो फिर मैं शुरू करता हूँ पूछना.
Sir, sir, in the lesson Landscape of the Soul, what does these concluding lines mean? The middle voice is essential. Nothing can happen without it. Hence the importance of the white, unpainted space in Chinese landscape. This is also where
Beta, can
man
you
finds the
show
fundamental.
that line? Can you show that line of the textbook on the screen?
Yes, sir.
That's difficult to read. You read it better now. Which line you are talking about? Okay, this is the last statement of the lesson.
Yes, sir.
Read it again.
So the middle void is essential. Nothing can happen without it. Hence the importance of the white, unpainted space in Chinese landscape. Sir, and the below that, the last paragraph too.
So read that last paragraph too.
This is also where man finds a fundamental role. In that space between heaven and earth, he becomes the conduit of communication between both poles of the universe.
Okay.
His presence is essential, even if it's only suggested, far from being lost or oppressed by the lofty peaks.
Okay. Okay. This is talking about this particular statement or the last paragraph and the 2-3 lines you read earlier are all talking about, you can say, the exact understanding of art, the exact definition of art. As I said, once a doubt or a question is asked, some other students may try to answer or explain that. So I'll wait for somebody else to respond and then I'll talk. Anyone? मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ अगर टेक्स्ट बुक का वो कहीं पे मुझे पीडीएफ यहाँ पे दिख जाए तो मैं उसको एक बार डाउनलोड कर लूँ जब तक। No, this is summary, not the textbook. Beta, I'm expecting somebody to speak. Isn't there anyone? चलो ठीक है. What it says, first the two lines that you were talking of, it is talking about the importance of space. When there are two images, when you draw something and when you're talking about Chinese art, ठीक है, when there are few figures drawn in a painting, when there is a painting, there are so many things. Got it? So when there are two objects drawn, there may be some space. This space leads the understanding of one object, what this one object drawn by you means. Okay? It is led through that space to the another object, how it is connected. How it is connected, what is the relationship? Okay. In the beginning, we saw that there is a timeline in the Chinese paintings. It starts from one point and then it moves. It gets up step by step. So there is a timeline. Okay. So one thing is connected to another thing, but what connects is the space. And something that is not drawn, when you are admiring an art, you should, with your own idea, with your own understanding, with your own creativity, try to make out what it means. Until and unless you pick that idea, you won't be able to understand what the entire painting is conveying. Only objects do not convey, but the spaces also do. This is what it means. Is it clear, Aditi?
Yes, sir.
That was for those two lines that you read.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? This is for that.
Yes, sir, the middle word.
क्योंकि that has its own importance. Many a times, especially when we study English, some lessons, I always mention this thing. There are two lines. There are two statements. There may be two words. You understand the meaning of those lines. You understand what is being conveyed through those lines. But more than that, there is one more thing that we call understanding what is given between the lines. You need to understand that. So, reading between the lines, what I said, then I said the another statement, but between these two statements, I must have something else in my mind, and that is what we are expecting the reader to understand. So, there are two things, reading beyond the lines and reading between the lines. Reading the lines is the simple thing. है ना, दो लाइंस को हमने पढ़ लिया, वो तो बहुत सिंपल सी चीज है. उन दोनों बातों के बीच में जो हिडन चीज है, विच इज नॉट क्लियरली रिटन, एक वो होती है और एक उन लाइंस के बियॉन्ड. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ यू डिफाइन आर्ट. It is not only that is clearly visible. I hope this is enough.
Yes, sir.
Anything else?
Sir, sir, in the chapter Alien Planet, on page number 46, in last paragraph, there is two words that are transcending concern. Sir, what is the meaning of transcending concern?
बेटा ये तो डिक्शनरी की चीजें हैं, आप डिक्शनरी देखो. वर्ड मीनिंग क्या पूछना है? कोई स्टेटमेंट जो हमें समझ नहीं आ रहा है ना? आप जैसे आपने मीनिंग देख लिया, उसके बाद आपको कॉन्टेक्स्ट में समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि इस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में कैसे अप्लाई हो रहा है, वो पूछो. वर्ड मीनिंग का क्या है? वर्ड मीनिंग तो आप डिक्शनरी में देखो. और फिर देखो आप ट्रांसेंडिंग के साथ में कंसर्न आ रहा है, तो पहली बात तो हम किस कंसर्न की बात कर रहे हैं, एंड हाउ इज इट ट्रांसेंडिंग कंसर्न देन. तो उसके पहले जो कॉन्टेक्स्ट है, हमने जो पूरा का पूरा आर्टिकल जो पढ़ा है एलियन प्लैनेट, वो क्यों पढ़ा है, उसमें किस बारे में बात हो रही है, ठीक है. तो वो चीज जब आप उस कॉन्टेक्स्ट को देखोगे तो आपको क्लियर हो जाएगा. ठीक है, तो ट्राई टू रेफर टू अ डिक्शनरी, फाइंड इट आउट, एंड इफ यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड देन वी विल डिस्कस इन द क्लास. ओके,
यस सर.
है ना? फटाफट देखो, उसके बाद फिर तब भी नहीं क्लियर होता है तो मुझे पूछो. लड्डू,
Yes, sir.
you missed most of the classes as far as I remember. Then you must be having doubts.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, कल के जो लेटर्स हैं उसका एक एसेंस मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. जिन्होंने लिखा है उनको याद भी आ जाएगा. नेहा के लेटर की फर्स्ट लाइंस में भी वही है, फर्स्ट फ्यू लाइंस में. पूर्वी के लेटर में भी है, और बहुत सारे लेटर्स में है. आई डोंट वांट टू मेंशन ऑल द नेम्स. जो आप लोगों ने मुझे सजेशंस दिए ना, उसमें एक डोमिनेंट सजेशन पता है क्या है? कोई बता सकता है?
The conversation with teacher.
Interaction with teacher.
Should keep camera on.
How many are on? Do you know how do I feel? पता नहीं, you are doing the same thing in all classes or you do this only in the English class, I don't know. But how do I feel, you know? There is a wall in front of me and most of your profile pictures are your alphabet, the first letter of your name. So I'm sitting in KG section in a nursery classroom where on a wall all the letters of English alphabet are written in small circles. Some pictures are also there, like I can see the back of Lionel Messi, ठीक है, like that. There are few, तो कुछ pictures भी मुझे दिख रहे हैं और बाकी alphabet दिख रहे हैं. That's it. और उस दीवार के साथ में बैठ के मैं बातें कर रहा हूँ. ना कोई दिख रहा है, ना कोई रिस्पॉन्स आता है. तो doesn't it feel like go and bang head on the wall? I won't do that. I don't want to hurt myself, but it feels like that. अभी तक लड्डू का कैमरा ऑन नहीं हुआ. बोल देगा सर कुछ टेक्निकल
सर बाल सही करना सर, 2 मिनट
प्रॉब्लम है.
बाल सही करना.
हाँ लड्डू, योर क्वेश्चन.
अभी तो नहीं है सर।
कोई डाउट नहीं है, ठीक है, फिर मैं पूछता हूँ।
सर अभी नहीं सर, डाउट है सर, बट सर अभी नहीं पूछता सर मैं।
मोहित,
Yes, sir.
ask a question to the class.
Okay, sir.
तब तक मैं पूछ लेता हूँ. What was done on that particular day to the mummy of King Tut? On that particular day, what was being done? No one knows.
Sir, repeat the question.
What was being done to the mummy of King Tut on that particular day?
Sir, which particular day?
The day that has been talked about in the lesson.
So the history was again checked.
उस दिन किंग टट के मम्मी के साथ वो लोग क्या कर रहे थे?
सर सिटी स्कैन कर रहे थे उसका.
सिटी स्कैन
सर स्कैन कर रहे थे उसको.
इतना सा तो पूछा हमने. Now tell me, what does CT scan mean? Or what is the full form of CT scan? CT, what does it stand for?
Computed tomography.
Okay. क्यों कर रहे थे?
जो छुपी इंफॉर्मेशन है उसको निकालने के लिए.
क्या इंफॉर्मेशन निकालनी थी?
सर कितनी पुरानी है, उसके साथ हुआ क्या क्या था.
How did he die? सर ये
How
पता
does he
लगा कि
die?
वो मरा कैसे है.
They were trying to find out the
Reason of
cause
death.
of his death. Okay. Cause of his death. Other things they already have found. Acha, who was the person in charge? वो जो नेशनल ज्योग्राफिक का एक वीडियो मैंने आपके साथ शेयर किया था, उसमें भी वो वाले अंकल को बार बार दिखाया था. He was only talking. Who was that? What is the name of that person?
Zahi Hawass.
Zahi Hawass. Zahi Hawass. Acha, what was the full name of King Tut?
Sir, Tutankhamun.
Tutankhamun. And what does Amun stand for? What does Amun mean in this name?
Sir, I think king or god.
Someone else?
Sir, a deity whom perform earlier.
Huh?
A deity whom they worship earlier.
Okay. Which deity did they worship? There is one more thing,
Sir,
one more word mentioned here, and that is Aten. Some grandfather of Tutankhamun, he changed his name from Amun to Aten. Akhenaten, he gave himself that name. So there are two things, Aten and Amun, which were used to suffix their names. What do these two mean? Get into the lesson and find out.
Ethan is, I think, sun,
हाँ.
and Amun is moon.
And Ethan is sun.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, you are getting closer, है ना? Check it and find it out. चलो, shall I ask some more questions?
Yes,
सर
sir.
टूटनखामन सर वो किंग तो सन फैमिली से थे.
इसीलिए कह रहा हूँ, this is why I am asking you to go through the lesson once again and find out, है ना? I will ask questions. I will ask questions if you don't from the next class. ठीक है? In the next class, we shall talk about first two lessons and first two poems. No, let us start from that other book. Let us take that other book first. And what are the first two lessons of that book? Beautiful morning.
The
Summer morning of beautiful white horse.
The address.
First lesson. First lesson is that beautiful
The
white horse.
summer of the beautiful white horse.
White House.
That is first. And the second lesson is
The address.
The address.
okay.
Address.
And because we are not having poems there, so we'll take third one also. What is the third one?
Ranga's marriage.
Ranga's marriage.
Ranga's marriage.
Okay. So there will be an open quiz kind of thing between all boys and all girls in the next period. Laddu,
Yes, sir.
you will be the scorer.
Okay, sir.
Or do you want to be a part?
Sir, scorer.
इसीलिए मैंने पूछा था. You will also be with boys, है ना? You won't be scorer at all. ठीक है?
सर मैं पार्ट भी ले लूंगा सर स्कोर भी कर लूंगा.
नहीं, वो अपने आप हो जाएगा. You don't worry about that. Everyone is concerned about their own scores, isn't it? सबको अपने अपने स्कोर की चिंता होती है. स्कोरिंग तो अपने आप हो जाएगी. So we'll take 3 lessons of supplementary reader in the next period, and the, let us say, fight or let us say competition will be between the entire group of boys and the group of girls. For next, I'll change the groups. This is not going to remain the same thing, but for coming class it will be like that. हाँ, अभी किसी को कुछ पूछना है? कोई क्वेश्चन दिमाग में आया या सिर्फ अदिति को ये डाउट था?
सर,
हाँ
सर जो टट था वो बहुत टाइम पहले मर चुका था, तो उसकी बॉडी अभी तक कैसे है जिंदा, मतलब कैसे है अभी तक?
बॉडी नहीं है बेटा, अब तो उसका सिर्फ स्केलेटन ही है. ठीक है. This is what was very special about those times, and it was Egyptian science that they had a specific type of chemical with them, which they smeared upon the body and then they covered the body. They wrapped it with a bandage. It was completely bandaged. Okay, applying that particular chemical on it. And that chemical has preserved those bodies for so many years. And then those bodies were buried under those huge pyramids. And this
So
is
they
why
were buried in coffins?
Huh?
So they were buried in coffins?
They were kept in coffins and coffins were buried. Bodies are not buried in coffins, beta. What is a coffin? Coffin is a box.
Yes, sir.
In which the body is kept. And King Tut had a special coffin, that golden lid with his structure. The entire body shape is carved on it, and that is all golden. Okay, so it is a special coffin for him. So that box was buried, and when the body was kept in the box, इसके अलावा they kept so many funerary treasures because they believed in the afterlife and they thought that the pharaoh means the king, would need these things in the afterlife wherever he goes. So they kept everything that he would have needed or everything that he liked, he was fond of. So such things were kept along. But the smearing was done with a special kind of chemical which preserved the bodies till now. Read about mummies on internet. ठीक है? How were mummies preserved? You will find it out. Any other question? No questions? चलो फिर अभी भी टाइम है, फिर मैं पूछता हूँ. You are not asking questions, and when I ask, you are not answering too. You were not prepared, है ना? चलो. I'll give you a sentence, convert that into passive voice. Would you like to do that?
Yes, sir.
I have given the sentence. Shall I repeat the sentence?
Yes, sir.
I have
Sir,
given
would you
second
like
sentence.
to
also.
convert? Is this the sentence?
Would you like to do that?
Acha, would
is
you
first.
like to do that? Okay.
Would you like to do that is the first sentence, and shall I repeat it is the second sentence. Convert these two into passive voice.
Sir, shall I repeat that का होगा?
कर ले पहले, आराम से कर ले फिर बता. Let others also do. Don't speak without writing on your notebook. Are these sentences difficult to convert? Any one sentence that you have done?
Sir,
Huh?
sir, I have done both, but I don't know if they are correct or not.
No, I'll tell you whether they are correct or not. I have asked you to do only.
So the first sentence, would you like to do that, is will it be liked by you? And the second sentence, shall I repeat? It will be should it be repeated?
Not completely correct. Neither of your sentences. और किसी को बताना है? जिसके दोनों सेंटेंसेस करेक्ट होंगे उसको क्या चाहिए बताओ? अदिति क्या चाहिए बताओ?
सर मैगजीन एडिटिंग का काम।
अरे वो ठीक है, वो एक अलग बात हो गई। डायरेक्टली
सर तो मैं दूसरा बताऊं?
हाँ
सर
सर तो मैं कुछ और बताऊं?
हाँ बता
आपका
ना।
गोल्डन पेन।
हाँ मैं वही तो कह रहा था, इसीलिए तुझे पूछा
सर आपका
मैंने। इसीलिए पूछा मैंने तो। नहीं, मैंने तो वो पहले भी प्रपोज किया था, उस समय भी एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था लास्ट ईयर 10th में, है ना? याद है?
Yes, sir.
तब भी पैसिव वॉइस के लिए ही बोला था मैंने कि whoever gives the correct answer will get that pen, and at that time it was in my pocket, if you remember.
Yes, sir. आपने उसकी रिफिल खत्म हो गई थी तो 10 वाली लाके लगाई थी।
बट पेन तो वही था ना, वाटरमैन का।
हाँ, yes, sir.
रिफिल उसमें सेलो की डाली हुई थी। हाँ बट नोबडी वन दैट, है ना, नोबडी आंसर्ड दैट डे। अभी जिसके दोनों करेक्ट हो जाएंगे, चलो अभी भी दे दूंगा।
सर मैं ट्राई करूं?
हाँ ट्राई ही करना है बेटा।
हाँ सर, पहला वुड यू लाइक टू डू दैट का वुड यू हैव liked to do that, और shall I repeat का should it be repeated by me?
रिपीट योर सेकंड सेंटेंस।
Shall I repeat का should it be repeated by me?
शुड इट बी रिपीटेड बाय मी, ओके। वो फर्स्ट तो गलत है तेरा, फर्स्ट तो बिल्कुल गलत है। चलो मेरा पेन बच गया। और कोई? व्हाट इज द टाइम? It's 1:15, so it's time to